What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are back at SeaWorld Orlando for an Icebreaker roller coaster construction update. We're hearing today may be an interesting day. Let's go! Nobody really over here at the ticket windows. Security was a breeze. Looks to be the same to get in too. Yep, right on through, and we are on our way. The new ice cream shop looks to be just about the same as before. Hello, Icebreaker from across the way. We can see a train with test dummies now in the train, and it's on the transfer table. Osprey! Hey, aren't you supposed to be at Universal? Project Penguin, and luckily we have some new updates for that. SeaWorld Orlando has extended their filing permits with the county, Orange County, and that means it's still in the works. So as soon as things change, walls go up, markings show up, we'll let you know. I'll tell you what, if the guests aren't enjoying the weather, the birds sure are. A little bit closer view. Again, train right there on the transfer table. We're hearing they're going to be starting launch testing very soon. Fingers crossed. And now we have a hawk. Crazy birds out here today. And of course, we can't forget about our construction ducks. Other good news, some of the work walls have come down. And we can see path lighting for the exit has been installed as well. Alright, so we have Premier Rides teams, SeaWorld Design Engineering on site, and they're checking over the train. We know that it's been going back and forth in the station, to the transfer table, to the little maintenance area, and sliding side to side. Now, we are just waiting for some launch testing. We'll see what happens. So we're moving the train back and forth, back and forth. Hopefully we'll get on the transfer table, go a little side to side. Alright, so the train has been moving back and forth for well over an hour now, but a lot more people are now on site. We also have SeaWorld marketing here with cameras. Alright, so the photographer for SeaWorld is over there taking some shots right now. What a weird day for birds. Now we have all sorts of crows sitting on the top of the top hat. At least it's not an osprey trying to build a nest. And it looks like we have some workers in the queue right now, getting it ready. Unfortunately, the entrance sign is still not in place, but we have heard that is going to be showing up very, very soon. Wild Arctic, and we showed you this for a long time with closures and stuff like that. Well, the ride portion is still closed, as we see right here. The exhibit apparently is still going on. However, the ride system, we have heard, has been gutted. And why would you do that? Well, if something new is coming here, they're going to have to do that. And we also have some interesting items around this building to check out. All right, so directly to the side of the building over here on the ground, we have some flags in place, just like markings. Now, you may be thinking they could just be working on irrigation or the sprinkler system, but we've seen these same flags show up time and time again right before a new project starts. There's one here, and then there's one right over here also. So, multiple flags, not just one. Interesting. Over here by the Bayside Stadium pathway, we have some new additions. Poles, and those are going to be for nets that go directly underneath that little hill. And we can see Icebreaker looking to be just about the same. Same with the pathways and work walls. Well, unfortunately, it looks like the operations employee that was over at the job site watching to see if it was doing anything has left. And well, that means we're done for the night. You know what? You could be having the worst day possible. All you need to cheer you up? Pink chickens. It's the great pink chicken migration. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Icebreaker roller coaster construction. As we saw from Premier Rides Cruise, we're sending the train back and forth in the station with test dummies. And hopefully we're going to have some launch testing very soon. I actually think they were trying to do it today, just kind of ran out of time. Of course, if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.